In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install Rainbow Six Mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this really is super easy to go ahead and do. And really all you need to do is just open up the App Store, Google Play Store, or whatever app store you have on your device and download it from there. But to demonstrate, I'm currently on an iPhone, but this will work the exact same way on any device. Essentially, go ahead and back out to your device's home screen. Once you're on the home screen, go ahead and locate either the App Store, not Robinhood, oops, but locate like the App Store or the Google Play Store. Open it up, and then from here, find the search bar down at the very bottom and type in something like Rainbow Six Siege or Rainbow Six Mobile. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you should see it right there. Simply go ahead and select it, and this is going to be the official game page. And this is a free app to go ahead and download. So essentially, go ahead and select it. And where mine currently says open, yours is going to say install or download. Select that, and it'll start downloading. However, you might have to enter in, like your Apple ID password, your password itself, Face ID, Touch ID, whatever it might be. Go ahead and enter that in. It'll start downloading. And once it finishes, go ahead and hit open, and then you'll be able to start playing the game. Now, of course, you are going to have to sign in with an account or create an account, and then from here, you have to play a tutorial. But after that, you are good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.